Hey guys, my name's Zach. I work here at Uptown Barbers and we use Layrite products here in our shop, and today I'm going to be using Layrite Super Hold Pomade on today's style. This is Layrite Super Hold Pomade. This product works best with medium to curly hair, coarse, thick hair. The amount of product you want to use is about a dime size. Evenly distributed through your hands, emulsify it really well. Start from the back of the hair and work your way forward. You can have short to long hair and it'll work. Gives you a great wet, messy look if you have unruly hair. I like to finish off using a comb for a more refined look. For my client Edward here, we went with a more traditional style of a slick back, and the product is going to allow him to have more hold throughout the day so his hair doesn't fall out of place. This product helps with people that have a lot of maybe cowlicks or whorls on their hair that are kind of hard to maintain. This product has a nice heavy hold that will hold down cowlick, your whorl, all those tough spots on your hair. Thanks for watching. This is how I use Layrite Super Hold in my client's hair. If you are looking to do the same in your hair, go over to layrite.com and order you a bundle.